Most affiliate marketers know about Clickbank, and if you don't, I'll explain exactly what it does just in few minutes. What you will learn. What Clickbank is and how to use it to make thousands of dollars monthly. How to pick Clickbank products to promote. The most common ways to promote Clickbank products. The unique funnel we use to scale up our sales. How to build these funnels. How to scale them up and take over the offer. What is Clickbank? Many people consider Clickbank just another affiliate network. But unlike traditional affiliate platforms, Clickbank serves as a marketplace for both people who create products and affiliates, so they can make money together without complex paperwork or agreements. How does it work? In other words, Clickbank is the middleman between creators of digital products, such as ebooks, video, music, and so on, and people who can sell those products, i.e. affiliate marketers. Obviously, depending on which party of the marketplace are you, Clickbank fulfills one of the two functions. Why Clickbank? As an affiliate marketer, you might ask yourself, why to sell ebooks and online courses from unknown producers, if you can just sign up with say CJ or Amazon Associates and sell reputable products? First, online education is a huge market, and Clickbank itself generates close to $250 million in sales revenue each year. Second, there's a beauty to digital products. That beauty is the highest margins possible. Because, to make a copy of a video and sell it costs nothing. 100% of the revenue can be considered the profit outside of marketing costs. High profits equals high affiliate commissions. And Clickbank pays up to 75%. How to pick the right product to promote. One of the best ways to make money on Clickbank is to start as an affiliate, promoting pages that have already been optimized, in order to build your sales funnels. Much like keyword research for SEO, picking the right product to promote on Clickbank is extremely important. No matter how good you are at promoting, if you drive traffic to a sales page that doesn't sell, you will not make much money. The most common ways to promote Clickbank products. All in all, Clickbank is a rewarding and easy-to-use affiliate network with easy sign-up and good support. Benefits of using Clickbank affiliate network. Banner ads. Article marketing. Use Facebook. Use Pinterest. Email marketing. Participate in forums. Use Craigslist to promote Clickbank products. Try unique Clickbank products funnels. Here is the proper way to promote your Clickbank products for free. Step 1. Sign up for a free account with Weebly or Wix. Step 2. Create a free landing page by writing a short review or sales page about your affiliate product and why people should purchase your affiliate product. How to do your scaling. Now that you've built the initial funnel, let it run for a little bit. Perhaps start building a second one, and after a while, decide if it's worth spending more time on it. If it's making some sales and you want to expand it, all you need to do is pick one area and expand it. These include creating more SEO content around more keywords related to the product you're selling. Link building your existing content to improve its rankings. Using paid social to grow the traffic to your content. Expanding your autoresponder from 3 to 12 to 15 emails to increase sales. B. Test your pop-ups and opt-ins to increase the opt-in rate. And there is a link in the description for updated new Clickbank Marketing University course. Join now. That's all. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll get the notification for new videos.